Okay, what I've done here to prep for the doors is I took this piece right here and put it over my doorway. I make sure that I have something under here to hold it, get it lined up perfectly on the edge and up as high as it's gonna go. I screwed it in place. I've got one screw there and one screw down there. And now I can go behind it and Sharpie the thing all around here where I'm gonna cut. Then I can use that piece to build my door out of, and all that will be cut out perfectly. So of course I've got to put it up and take it back down in order to do that, but that little bit of extra work is gonna give me the perfect cut. What do you think of that, Shop Cat? He just scales those trees like a squirrel. And look at that.
Next, I'll either be doing painting or metal roofing, depending on when my metal roofing shows up on the job site. And I'll put a link to that video over here in the corner, and another link to the playlist of this whole build from ground all the way up to roof and doors and everything in the other corner.
It's like a mountain goat on the side of a cliff. Oh my gosh. There is Shop Cat. Now he is instrumental in the build, and you can see he has serious climbing skills, which come in handy on the roof work, don't you?